Tay of Shantae Plans, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have a different video than I have ever done before. My desk is a bit of a mess at the moment, and that's probably an understatement. But I recently filmed a haul and just finished Plan With Me, so I have stickers that I need to put away from the Plan With Me and stickers that I just hauled. And so I have a bunch of stickers sitting in stacks on my desk that really need to be put away. So that is what we are going to do together in this video. I'm going to organize and put away this so that it's not just sitting in a stack on my desk. So the very first thing that I want to do is to go ahead and just organize these into categories of what they are. I'm going to break this down into kits, journaling kits, washi trim stickers, quarter sheets, and $2 Tuesday sized sticker sheets, because those are the different types of sticker sleeves that I have in my rae+tay binders. So once I have them set up into piles by category, then I can start putting them away. We've organized these into piles. In this pile, I actually have the kits that I'll be using for the month of September. I also filmed my September kit lineup. That's why this is still sitting on my desk. I have some sticker kits here that there's the leftovers from the sticker kit I just used, plus a couple other kits that I hauled that I'm not going to use yet. So those need to be put away by season. These are just some journaling sheets in this stack here, so I'll put those away for journaling. These are some items from the Panda Bird Designs and Gathered Layers collab. So I'll put that in that binder because I have an entire binder for that collab. I've got washi trim stickers, $2 Tuesday stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and start first with the kits, and let's get these two big piles of stickers out of the way. So the first thing I want to do is pull out my kit binder, and this is my rae+tay kit binder, and at the moment I have just a few kits in here, and currently I have kits here for spring, summer, fall, winter, and then I have some anytime and birthday kits towards the back. I still have plenty of room to add some more sleeves in here, and so that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull in some more kit sleeves. So I'm just taking a pack of my kit sleeves, and I'm going to pull some more sleeves out to insert and add it to this binder. And I should only need 2 of the kit sleeves because I'm only putting in 4 kits. And then I also might want some quarter sleeves because some of these have that's my washi pack of my quarter sleeves here, because some of these have florals that match. I might have to pull another pack of quarter sleeves. So let's start with the kits. So I put those in, yeah, so like this kit, which is the first one I want to use, has some florals that go with it, as does this. So we've got some quarter sheets here. So let's just put these in. Quarter sleeve sheet here, and those will pair. And then I have this kit. So these 2 kits, and I'm just going to drop them into sticker sleeve, drop my quarter sleeve in right behind it. And then we have the other 2 kits, and these have add-ons, but this add-ons to these ones are full size, so these are kit sized, and then this one does have quarter sleeve stickers as well. So I'll put those on the back of this quarter sheet. And then we have these 2 kits. I'll just pop these in this sleeve here. There we go. So now all of the kits that I'll be using for the month of September are at the front of this binder. So I'll open this up, pull out the kit that I'm using, and then once I finish this month, I will move all of the October kits to the front. So that way, whatever I'm using immediately will be right at the front. Behind that, I have them organized by season. And so I've just got spring, summer, and then fall. And so fall is where I want to go ahead and add some more. This is a winter kit. So I'm going to take, this is the Hazel kit from Two Little Bees. So we have the Hazel kit and then this winter kit here. I'll go ahead and pop that in. Now, the real question is, because I do have this quarter sheet here, I think I'm going to move this around just a bit one more time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the Beautiful Fall next to the other Sadie Stickers kit. I'm just being particular about that. And I'm going to show you why. So we have this kit here, and then I have the Beautiful Fall, and then the My Spoiled Planner kit are both here. And the reason I've done that is because now this quarter sleeve add-on I'm going to tuck right here, and my expectation when I flip through is that the quarter sleeves should be close to the kits that are being used. And so now we have the Hazel and the Picnic Fall, and then the Hazel and Picnic Fall quarter sheets right behind it in this planner. And to me, that feels organized in a way that makes sense in my brain. So this is where my fall section begins. Fall kit, fall kit, fall kit, and their coordinating accessories. So that feels good. I have a drawer on my desk because I have the Alex, it's not in frame. It's like right behind where the camera is. And so I'm going to put my leftover kit in there, and I will do that with leftover kits, especially when I have kits like this where I know there's some things that I want to use from this leftover. I stick it in my little leftover kit drawer, and that is where that is going to exist until I go back to reach for some items from that sticker kit. Other times I'll destash to friends and things like that, but then there are certain things that I do like to keep for myself that I know I'll reach for in the future. This is where I store all of my washi length stickers, but I also have deco and journaling type stickers towards the back of this because I have the room for it, and so it totally made sense for me to put these together in this binder. And so what I want to do is I'm going to take these all of these journaling stickers and all of my washi stickers and organize them into this binder. And so I've got a mix of kit sleeve stickers and washi sleeve stickers in this particular binder. So the first thing I want to do is organize my washi stickers by foil color. And so we've got gold, silver, and rose gold here, and I'm just going to break them down into those three colors. It's going to make it quick and easy for me to put this away. Okay, I think I'm about to make a change because I feel like this is outgrowing this binder, and because I did recently order some new binders and I have another one that is completely empty, I'm gonna go ahead and move all of my journaling because I've got all of these journaling type stickers, plus I have this whole stack of new journaling type stickers that I just picked up. And so I feel like I don't want to crowd my washi binder, which originally this was just for my washi, but I felt like I didn't have as much, so I had room to add in something towards the back of it that was different. But now I'm feeling different, and I'm like, nope, let's let this be just a washi binder, and let's move our journaling to its own binder because we have the space and we have the binder. So I'm gonna go ahead and move all of these stickers here. So I have a combination of like these journaling type swatch stickers, and then I have journaling where it's more like images and things like that, and then I have florals. So we've got a combination of different things, and I think I want my images to go first, the swatches at the back, and then the florals. I think that's how I may end up organizing this. So let's go ahead and put these swatches in first, and then I'm gonna break down my new stack of items that are coming into here into florals and images. This actually is complicated because I actually feel like this could also go into my floral binder. Oh, maybe that's what I should do with that. Okay, so we've got journaling sheet, floral deco. This is going into a different binder. I'm thinking it through, learning as I go. This is another sheet that should be with those. Floral edges, the floral deco. Journaling. Okay, so the journaling is going to go in here. The floral deco is going to go into a totally different binder. And this has been one of the coolest things for me because prior to having the rae+tay binders, all of my other sticker storage options, it was one size or the other, right? If I had a sticker sheet that was a quarter sized sheet, it was going to go in a quarter sized album, and if I had one that was $2 Tuesday sized or a 2x3 size sticker sheet, it would go in the mini album. And then I also had the larger albums for larger sticker sheets like this, but I was never able to mix those into these size albums. And so I still have that mindset of I don't think of mixing these types of things. And so I have this album which has all of my deco sheets and florals. So I have my deco sheets from the Sweet Planner, which is a mix of florals and clip art at the front of this album, and then at the back of it I have just floral deco. And this is the album where these stickers belong. This makes the most sense because when I go looking for floral deco, I'll be looking in this album. And so what's great is even though I have quarter sheets in here, I can totally just pull in some kid size sleeves and place these larger floral stickers inside the same album. So I'm looking in the same place for it. And my organization just is much more efficient this way. I hadn't even realized that, like, I am so used to not being able to mix sizes. If I had a floral deco sheet that was this size, I would have never been able to store it in the same place as a floral sheet that's this size before. And so this is just really cool. This only happens with our kit sleeves, where because sometimes they're just, when you get a new one, and it only happens with some of them. I've had it happen like a couple of times, and then sometimes I don't have that issue at all, where they're just like, they want to stick to itself. And all you have to do is just roll the corner and it lets go. And you can slide your finger in there really easy. But yeah, I remember the first time that happened and I was like, you don't want to open up. I want to put a sticker in you. So that's all that takes. And now this just makes so much more sense. Oh my gosh. And I definitely have some like quarter-sized floral deco here that needs to go in here as well. So let's pop these in this sleeve. Whilst we're in here, and we've got an empty slot for floral deco here as well. Awesome sauce. Which I feel like there's definitely more, because I know I had the quarter-sized deco sheets that matched all of these florals. So we'll probably end up just popping in one more quarter sheet into this pack, and that way I can store the rest of those, which they must be in one of these stacks in here that we're going to get to next. So I'll come back for that. Let's pop back into this binder that has all of my journaling deco. I'm going to need some more kit sleeves, and I had another alcohol ink swatch. I think this is the same color. Yes, these are both berry, so this can just pop right in here, and I've got both of those together. Now I want to move to the front and add in the rest of these super cute journaling sheets, which I'm obsessed with. So let's make sure these are organized by what they are. I didn't realize that like everything I picked up with these journaling sheets from Sadie Stickers until I was doing the haul, they're all sunflowers. It's a vintage sunflower, a sunflower and eucalyptus, and an abstract sunflower. They're all sunflowers. We've got a lot of sunflower happening here. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and just put it at the front because I think it's super adorable. And that is what I wanna see right when I open up this binder. So let's pop in a couple of sleeves. I should need 3 sleeves, and that should work for these new journaling sheets that I need to pop in here. So, okay, now those are all put away, and that is good to go. Now it's time to move on to our $1 and $2 sleeves. So the next thing I want to do is sort all of these into their various foil colors. This seems like a lot of rose gold here. And then I've got a mix of gold, silver, and rose gold in this stack here. So I want to break those down into the 3 foil colors. It's going to make it easy for me to put them away. My Vintage Surf collab with Panda Bird Designs also had a Gathered Layers collab with Panda Bird Designs attached as an add-on to it. So I definitely want to store this in the my Gathered Layers binder. And a kit sleeve, all the other sleeves in here are quarter sleeves, and just another great example of being able to mix sleeves and keep my stickers organized by categories that just make sense to me when I go searching for those particular stickers. It seems I lost the clip of putting away my $2 Tuesday size stickers, but I followed the same steps as putting away my quarter size stickers, sorting by foil color, and using the Tuesday size sleeves. So let me know in the comments, are you really good about putting away your stickers after you do a haul, or do they sometimes sit in stacks on your desk? That's it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye!